वो तो बताया आपने।
हाँ, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, rooftop rainwater harvesting. I have got 8 schools. I have got 8 schools in my constituency, and successfully I am the only MLA in the whole of Goa who has got all my 8 schools rainwater harvesting done under the water resource department WRD के अंदर. We have completed rainwater harvesting for all my schools in my constituency. So this was one big achievement that we have done. इसके पीछे सोच ये है, I come from the coastal belt, तो my water table is good, I don't have an issue, but I put the thought process in the school so that KG1 से लेके 10th standard रोज देखते रहेगा what is meaning of rainwater harvesting, why do we have to preserve water, what is the value of water, because today water is free.
So it's a
We
good
do not-
education.
So to build up that psychological thing. We have started also the process of illumination of all religious institutions. जो churches है, जो मंदिर है, उसको सारे को illuminate करने decorative से. Something very interesting what nobody has been doing all these years in Goa. From the time when we got elected, वन महोत्सव पे हमेशा saplings बांटे जाते हैं, उसकी accountability नहीं होती है. So last year when we got elected, I started geotagging my saplings. और मैंने सारे सैपलिंग्स जिधर बिधर बच्चों को दिए, उनको जियो टैग करना सिखा दिया. 2500 से लेके 3000 सैपलिंग्स बांटे, उसमें से गुड में भी 50% 60% वो जियो टैग. सो टुडे आई गॉट अ स्प्रेडशीट. I know where the mango is grown, where the coconut is grown, where this is grown. I presented this what I did in the assembly. I told the forest department because we are spending a lot of money, but we don't know उसका what is the condition of this. इसमें दो चीज़ें हैं. जब मैंने बच्चों को दे दिया, first 2-3 years we will make sure that you are geotagged and everything. At the end of the 3rd year, I will prepare something called as carbon footprint card, and I will give it to you as a child. So as a child, जिसने वो plant grow किया, what was his percentage of contribution towards carbon footprint globally? तो उसको carbon footprint का education भी हो गया. He is taking care of the plant. It is helping the environment. So it is a multiple thought process module that we have introduced to this. Lot of ponds, lot of lakes have been cleaned. Lot of desilting has been done.
So solar you have already.
Solar I have already discussed. So the last is the getting inspiration out of our education thought process. I have started this Banaule Amdar Shikshon Vikas Shikshawruti. It means Banaulim MLA education scholarships. So this we started from last year. Top 5 जो एसएससी में टॉप 5 करते हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में, और 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हायर सेकेंडरी में जो टॉप 5 करते हैं, प्लस ईच विलेज टॉप 3 को वी हैव डोनर्स. वी स्टार्टेड विद स्मॉल डोनर्स giving a certificate and giving 2000 and 3000 rupees. This year we got a donor who gave even tabs. So sare around 56 students were felicitated, and all 56 were given by a donor tabs. So this was a big motivation. Now this is a regular scholarship. So to motivate the children to study, and you will be acknowledged. After that we put their pictures in all the papers and everything, to just to energize them into this. And the second scholarship what we have started is for the 10th standard students. इसमें male and female student, the best student in sports, we have given a letter to the school. The school in return gives us the name of the male child and the female child who have done excellent in sports, and we give them a scholarship, a cash amount and a certificate. So these are education wise too, which we have done. Besides this, other general works are changing of all electricity poles in my constituency.
You have changed all the poles.
3 contracts have already been done, tenders have been done. 1 contract of 11 crores, work has started, it's been already 4 months. 2 contracts, work is to be started, tender floated.
But why do you need to change all the poles?
It has been almost good as what people say. 25 से 30 साल हो गए जो कंडक्टर्स है वो इतने ब्रिटल हो चुके हैं, जब जोर से हवा हो जाती है तो वायर का कंडक्टर टूट जाता है,
तो वो बिजली चली जाती
बिजली
है.
चली जाती है. Local, and the poles were all gone bad.
Okay, so you are changing all the
we are
poles.
changing all those poles, and the next step is we'll be going underground cabling for the next phase. So many people have put up these proposals. We have started executing this. Roads work is going on. People's roads were not been done. One thing sir, हम लोग ने जो किया है कि no politics of hatred. There is no discrimination, no looking at who is whose voter. There have been several roads जो है जो मतलब हमारे पार्टी के नहीं हो, आप लोग ने उसको वोट किया
मतलब
था।
किसी ने किसी भी पार्टी को वोट किया, हम उसका काम करते हैं।
काम हम
बहुत
करते हैं। और अगर आप देखोगे जो रोड्स हम लोग कर रहे हैं वो 15-20 साल से नहीं किए, वही रोड्स बन रहे हैं अभी। ये नहीं कि मतलब जो तारिंग हो रहा है, इट नॉट डन फॉर 15-20 years. व्हाई नॉट डन? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग द प्रीवियस एमएलए, and I don't even go to check कि whether they had supported us, not that is does not matter.
सबका
We
दिल
have-
जीतना है।
सबका
अगली बार
दिल
सबका वोट
जीतना है,
चाहिए।
सबका वोट चाहिए एंड सबका आशीर्वाद चाहिए। So this is the way we have done.
क्रूज
Yeah. For the last 22 months after my election, elected, so I have been constantly in touch with the people, getting their feedbacks, and have seen all the projects which were pending, and we have proposed a lot of new projects. Now, our constituency consists of fishermen plus agriculture farmers are there. So first project we took at what you have seen in the morning, that agriculture farming to revive, to recultivate all the lands which are not cultivated for last 30-35 years. So in my constituency, there's a lot of land which is not cultivated because of maybe because of water, manpower, a lot of stray cattle. So that's why they have left farming. So now we have cultivated 6 lakh square meter of land with the help of the commandant president, the help of the tenants. So in this way our aim is to cultivate full lands which are vacant. This was not done by previous MLAs and all. So structures were built, canals were there, but water was not flowing there.
So how did you get the water?
So we requested the WRD minister. WRD minister also helped us. He came at least 3-4 times in my constituency to follow up this. So we get the water, this connected, all the canals were repaired again. And again some part canals are still there to repair and the water should come. So we make sure that all water comes and all the fields get cultivated again.
इसका मैं थोड़ा सा समझा देता हूँ आप लोगों को। आज सुबह हम लोग होके आए थे इनके यहाँ पे, तो एक गांव में ये हमें लेके गए। वहाँ पे लगभग 150 एकड़ ज़मीन पिछले 30-35 साल से बैरन पड़ी हुई थी, उस पर खेती नहीं हुई थी, पानी नहीं था, मवेशी थे, कई कारण थे जिसकी वजह से उस पर खेती नहीं हुई थी। ये 150 एकड़ ज़मीन 200 टेनेंट्स के पास थी। तो आप सोच सकते हो कितनी छोटी छोटी लैंड होल्डिंग्स थी, लेस देन 1 एकड़ पर फैमिली, 200 टेनेंट्स, 150 एकड़ ज़मीन। और ये जैसा इन्होंने बताया कि इसके पास से एक नहर जा रही थी, नहर में पानी नहीं था। इन्होंने उन 200 फैमिलीज़ को साथ लाके उनका एक क्लब बनाया, कोऑपरेटिव टाइप, और उन 200 को एक साथ उन्होंने फार्मिंग कराई। वाटर रिसोर्सेज मिनिस्टर को 3-4 बार अपनी विधानसभा में गांव में लेके आए, और जो नहर जा रही थी उसमें उन्होंने पानी का इंतजाम किया। और अब पिछले 2 साल से उस 150 एकड़ ज़मीन पे खेती होनी चालू हुई है। और खेती ये मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी से, इन्होंने मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी का इंतज़ाम किया। आज हमने देखा ड्रोन के ज़रिए ये उस पूरे इलाके के अंदर ड्रोन के ज़रिए फर्टिलाइज़र डाल रहे हैं, पेस्टिसाइड्स डाल रहे हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ें, फर्टिलाइज़र, पेस्टिसाइड्स, वाटर ऑल्सो यू यूज़ ड्रोन्स ओनली, पानी भी ड्रोन के ज़रिए। तो ड्रोन के ज़रिए पेस्टिसाइड जब डाले जाते हैं तो एकदम महीन तरीके से सही जगह पहुंचता है, कम फर्टिलाइज़र डालना पड़ता है और प्रेसिशन के साथ वो करता है और बड़ी तेज़ी के साथ। जैसे 1 घंटे के अंदर वो 6 एकड़ ज़मीन, 6 एकड़ यू टोल्ड मी दैट रफली कैन बी डन थ्रू इन 1 hour बाय द ड्रोन। तो अब वहाँ पे आज इन्होंने हमारे को प्रोडक्ट्स दिए। वहाँ पे ब्राउन राइस उगा हुआ है, वहाँ पे पल्सेस उग रही हैं। तो 30 साल से जो ज़मीन, अब ये इन्होंने ठाना है कि पूरी विधानसभा के अंदर जितनी ज़मीन बैरन पड़ी है सारी ज़मीन के ऊपर ये खेती करेंगे ताकि लोगों को कमाई होनी चालू हो। What else have you done?
So as far as health is concerned, we have only one primary health center, full constituency. So within the limited space, there is no chance for extension also. First who had done it, he had done it ground floor with a sloping slab. You cannot raise also. So within that, whatever possible, we extended it and gave a good facilities. Now we have proposed also another already identified inspection done. It's just waiting for approval in once Sanjay DRL, a new PHC. Along with that, another 2 emergency care centers are coming. These are all on the finishing stage for the approvals and then to be implemented. So that we can give 24/7 doctor in my village. At present, we don't have that. And we have to travel at least 15-16 kilometers.
Maybe
from
you
there.
can learn from him and open
Yeah,
some mohalla clinic on donation basis.
In my primary health center, part of his village is also connected in this. So now he has done that. Also, we have done that. We have prepared a structure is ready for this mohalla clinic type at my residence. So we have to say it how to convert it.
आपको विधानसभा में